Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? What's going on this time? The Digibyte price is terms down minus 4.87%. So definitely it's a loss, but don't worry, my friend. After a loss, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I am going to predicate this coin can rally in upcoming time. There is a chance to Digibyte will pumps up or not. Please hold it before I start this video. Please, I have one request from all of you to remember this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. As you can see here, 0.05 USD dollar is the highest price, but the current price is very cheap from very less from my friends, the highest one 0.04 USD. It's a very big difference, my friend, in the prices. And don't worry, yes, my viewers, my subscribers, don't worry, this is temporary fell. So I'm 100% sure, my friend, to after that they will pumps up and they will get a very good profit, because after a fails every coin will pumps up. So therefore every coin, my friend, will moving in this circulation, as you can see, my friends, to pumps and dump. So therefore I hope, my friend, to after this dump they will also pumps up. So please hold on, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. But in last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, you can see the change occurring, all is completely very badly fails down. So don't worry, my friend, I hope they will be increasing, the price will be increasing, but if you are hold, otherwise they will never pumps up. If you are starting selling, so they will never pumps up. So please, holders, don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will make you a millionaire, but if you are hold. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.